How to search for someone in WhatsApp without just saving their numbers. So go to WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, whatever you have. Then, to be honest, if you search for someone with a number here, you won't have their account here. Like, first you have to save their number and you have to search on there just to get their account. But there is a way where you can just search for their number instead of saving them. So for that you have to press this chat icon you can just see in the bottom. Just press on it, and then in here click on this search button, and now you can see you can create a new group, new contact. But in here it says search name or number. That's mean if you just search for anyone number here that is available to contact or that have an account on WhatsApp, then it will pop up in here. So this is how you can just find anyone without saving their numbers. Thanks for watching.